Yep.
What do you think about it? Having a good day?
I am having an awesome day. Well, I actually had to go on the back of the cabin here to speak to you guys there now because it's, man, it's blowing a gale. Some wind. Ever since we came here yesterday, we had a bumpy boat ride yesterday getting in here. And the wind never hardly slacked throughout the night. And jumpy in the day, but it's supposed to die out later on. So we figure we pick around now with some cabin projects now for the morning. Wait for the wind to die out. And then get out in boat to do some fishing in the Grand Lake. Can't wait to give that a try. I got the electrical hooked up inside. Mark already had a drain his pipe and wire in here. That's his well. Now we're going to hook up the final components to that and hopefully flick the switch and get water up to his cabin. Just hooked up the pipe to the pump down there. Assume going to turn on the switch up, everybody?
Yes, sir.
What?
We're very close.
Very close. Yeah, I know who's going to flick the switch, me or you.
Wow.
What?
I'm impressed.
That's crazy good,
Water
eh?
at camp.
Water at the camp, yep. Well, we got the water hooked up to his cabin now, and the wind's starting to die out a bit. So we're going to take a little run on the boat now. What do you think, brother?
Oh, I think it's going to be a good day.
Perfect. Captain says it's going to be a good day, it's going to be a good day. Alright, so this is the Howling Arrows, you say, is it, Mark? Howling?
This is, yeah, what we call Howling Arrows. This is Grand Lake.
Yeah.
So we just left Sandy Lake and just going into Grand Lake here.
And
Grand Lake is about roughly 100 kilometers long, I guess. And Sandy Lake is 40 or 50.
Okay.
So, and then that flows into Birchie Lake flows into Sandy Lake. So,
Yeah.
the three lakes all join together for, I guess, approximately 160, maybe 150, 160 kilometers of water, right?
Wow.
Yeah. Lots of water.
Lots of water. What's
Yeah.
the largest water?
Yeah, largest inland lake in the province, for sure, or on the island.
Yeah, largest lake in Newfoundland. Yeah, buddy, to go over to the time.
Yeah, anywhere at all, yeah.
There we go, boys. We just hooked into a small one-ish there. Anyway, nice little fish, little landlocked salmon, I guess, eh? Little small one, so I'm gonna go back in the water again.
What a beautiful day.
Man, this is awesome. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Mark had a bite, and he had another one on us to the boat, one on this, and we're he just got a call. I'm gonna go pick up his son. Now his son wants to join us, Lucas, so that's great. Daisy's enjoying herself. Right, we're in a different spot here now. We picked up a passenger, Mark's young fella Lucas. You've seen them in the moose hunting and caribou hunting videos we had last fall.
Hopefully Lucas brings us some good luck, eh?
Yes, he brought us good luck last year, so we're going to try this spot here now. Cast it around this point and see what happens.
Oh,
Yes, boy.
boy, I tell you, they can fight.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. Nice fish,
Alright,
buddy.
yes, sir.
Nice fish, brother.
Alright.
Beauty. There you go, boy. That's a nice looking
That's
fish,
a nice
brother.
little one, ish.
What are you gonna do with that, Mark?
We're gonna let this one
Let
go,
it go,
now.
yeah?
We'll release
All
this guy.
What a nice guy. There you go. Stuff, boys. Make another swing back around there now.
Oh, yes.
Woohoo!
Yep.
Another one, boys. Look. Yeah, boy, I tell you, just cast it from side the boat. I'm gonna bring it around up there now. Lucas, I think we can get in there.
All right.
Slow up a little bit.
Wicked.
There we go.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
There we go, boys. Look. Oh, in the boat, in the boat.
Yeah.
Boys, look.
Wicked.
Another beautiful one on this there now. There you go, buddy.
And just like that.
Woo! That's it, Lucas, boy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Fish again, boy.
It's a little bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now lift from up the boat, up the boat, up the boat, up the boat.
There
Beautiful,
you go.
man. What a beautiful fish, man.
Wicked.
Oh, holy smokes. Oh, oh, oh.
Nice bit of fun there.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Wicked. Boys, we got a massive one.
Oh, we got a massive one there, Chuck,
Ready
buddy.
for this, or what?
Look at that.
Yeah, we'll take the big with the small. It's
Big-
all exciting.
Yes.
You know.
Oh, boy, 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 oh boy. No, it's one this, yeah. Nice.
And he got some bite.
Yep, one this. Boy, that's not real, man. All them are fishermen, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's fun playing too.
Boys, look what Lucas just hauled in. Look what he just hauled in. A beautiful trout. Look at the beautiful, beautiful trout. Man, oh man.
Open, boy. Look at that.
Look at this, boys. Look at this. Look at
Oh, that's a nice one, Chuck. That's a
Holy
beauty.
smokes.
Alrighty.
Look at that, boys.
Look at that. That's a nice one
Man,
ish here
beautiful.
on Grand Lake. What a beautiful day.
Man,
Beautiful
this day
evening.
could not get any better.
The wind dropped out. We're having good fishing.
Oh, Mark's into another one, boys. Look.
Yes, sir.
One fish after the other. There now.
Feels like a trout. This one do.
Do it.
Yeah.
Feels like it. I'm not sure if it is really. Yeah, it's a trout.
Oh, is it? Boy, that's fantastic. If you can get one. Come on up with me in the boat. Look at that, man. What the size of a fish. Oh, Mark.
That's a beautiful, nice, beautiful brook trout from Grand Lake.
What a beautiful fish.
What a dandy, eh?
Yeah.
Nice, should be good eating. We'll put this one in the
Yes, sir.
smoker for sure.
Absolutely. Another beautiful trout, brother. Wicked. Man, you're cleaner there now, Lucas.
Oh yeah.
You give us a chance, you know.
Trout magnet.
Trout magnet, yeah. Time for a cup of tea. We got a couple of things here to throw in the frying pan too, so that's gonna taste good. Look at them blue skies. Leftover steak. Let's see what that.
Oh, nice trout, buddy. Wow, look at that, buddy. Look at that, nice. What a lovely trout.
Beautiful
Here on
trout,
Grand
eh?
Lake.
Just right there. Right there, by the boat. Just right in line.
What do you think of it, bud? Having a good day?
I am having an awesome day.
What a blast, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that's one.
Oh, there it is. Whoa. Yep, that's a nice one. Wicked. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Double hitter? Lucas got.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at that. Nice. Right,
All
roll
right,
it.
boys, here we go. We're gonna put this one back now.
Now
We got
release
two-
this
oh,
guy. Oh, there you go.
You go, buddy.
Well, guys, that was an epic day, especially the end of the day. Well, certainly all day was epic. We had a great day open boat.
Yep.
Came up to the Narrows and
Yes, sir.
had a big feed on the shoreline.
Yeah.
Had Lucas join us.
Wonderful day.
Great
And
day.
then the fish came thick and strong at the end of the day. You can't ask for no better than that. You can't even make it up. So we're going to head back to the cabin now. I'm going to drop Lucas off, and myself and Mark are going to go back and enjoy the evening at the cabin. Get some supper on the go. Start the barbecue. Boys, how can I get any better? I don't know. Get mine. I'm the king of the world! Ready to go with the captain?
Yes, sir. We get ready and pack up, I guess, eh?
Yeah, back on the water again. We're going that way. Hey, Daisy. Time to go home, my dog. Well, guys, we're just packing up there now, getting ready to boat our way back home. What a fabulous trip. I mean, I could not ask for a better day out in the boat. You know, the big long lake, the largest lake in Newfoundland. And to go out there and have that shore lunch and catch those fish. What a day. With some good friends. Special thanks to Mark, who hosted me once again. Hope to return the favor to him someday. Nice to see Lucas again. So we're back on the water again, guys. Until next time, take care of each other and get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. We'll see you next time. Guaranteed. Oh.